Model, 2014 Ford Transit Custom 290 Trend 2.2 TDCI-E Tech None Runner needs engine No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 131015. MOT, the 2nd of May 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2155 PS TDCI-E. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and want turnover. Engine has seized, so will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 2 former keepers, part service.